What is up, guys? Welcome back to the new episode of our vlog today. Today is a very exciting one because we are going to install the suspension of the Subaru BRZ. As you can see, the last video I did, we unboxed the suspension, and it's not a sponsored video, but I wish it was. So one day. But anyway, so yeah, I opened that one and it was a Raceland coilover, and let's go and install this one right now. So we're gonna give you an update. So we took off all the tires now in the front. We're gonna do it the first, and then these things are not really good. I don't know. It's cross-threaded most of my things here. I don't know if this is the right size, but yeah, we kind of messed it up, but it should be fine. So we got some hiccups. I don't have the 17 mil, so I went to Canadian Tire and got it, and thanks to Roman right here, just doing the wrenching, and I'm gonna do the other side. So yeah, let's go and continue on. Alright, some update. Roman got this driver's side good to go, and we're still gonna figure it out, like what's the measurement later, so stay tuned for that. So it's gonna be like 2-inch drop probably, and we'll see how it looked like. Thanks to Roman, you're the man.
Do I get paid?
Hey. Tell them to subscribe, and then you'll get paid. Hey, no, just kidding. Alright, here you go. And on my side, I'm going to get this. The end link is off now, and I'm going to do the lower one, and then do everything else after. So, yeah. Front is already put on right there, and it will be like 3 inches low. So, and the back is already, no, this side is not, the other side is already put on. We have the muscular man over here, and we have that one right there. It's already on, so we'll see how it looks like. Man, a very big thanks to Roman. I couldn't do this alone, to be honest. This is so hard. Well, yeah, it's like a 2-man job probably, but yeah, I'm not an expert, so we are not an expert as well. So we're just doing it by ear, and people doing it on YouTube, we're just watching them, especially TJ Hunt. Right there. Finish it up.
It's the last one.
It's the last one. And yeah, it was a big fight for sure.
Big fight.
Yeah. It's a battle, but it's almost done. Thank you so much, man. You are amazing.
Getting paid? No, it's not free.
We're gonna go eat later, so yeah, we're gonna go. We'll go somewhere, and I'll give him free food too later. So we're going to a party. That's what I'm gonna give him. Right? So yeah, big thanks, Roman. If you were not here, I couldn't do this one. So thank you so much, man. So yeah, we're gonna continue doing it, and here we go. What is up, guys? Welcome back. This is like day 3, I believe, on this vlog, but it's gonna be in one vlog. So because I messed up, there's something going on with my studs. So yesterday I took them all off and waited for today, Monday, so that I can finish these stuff over here. They have no studs, so we're gonna put them on today. And the car is now lowered. We already put the spring and the coilover and everything, so all we need to do today is just to get the studs in and put this thing back together, and we are ready to go, and it's good. And I'll show you how low it is. So alright, we didn't really do the step by step, but it's all done. The car is good. We are back on the road. So there we go. Yeah, so I didn't really film a lot, so I'm really sorry, but I changed the studs because the studs are broken, and she's good to go. We are good to go, and I'll show you guys how low it is. And yeah, let's go and move the car right now. So now it's the moment of truth. We're gonna drive it outside the garage. It's not too low, but I don't know if I'm gonna hit that thing. So it's not low enough yet. So yeah, let's go. Roman's here too.